Hello and welcome to the Contextor Videos series. This video describes how to use the OCRDriver to monitor applications, using OCR technology. The OCRDriver tutorial is divided in two parts. This video is the first part. This video describes the use of the Contextor OCRDriver. We are going to use the CRM Winform sample application. This is a classical Windows application, which is normally monitored using the UIAutomation or Win32 driver. To demonstrate OCR capabilities, we are going to monitor it using the OCRDriver. The OCRDriver is not standalone, and must be embedded into an UIAutomation application. I first declare the UIAutomation application. I then declare the main page, as usual. In this use case, we are going to monitor the whole tab control, using OCR technology. I first declare an UIAutomation item, which will be used as the OCR root item. I then declare a subpage, using the OCR technology. This subpage is the OCR container. During the capture, the OCRDriver has made a screenshot of the component, and it has performed an OCRization on this screenshot, to generate the DOM. This DOM contains line and word components. Each component has a text and a bounding rect property. Unlike UIAutomation subpages, OCR subpages do not have recognition criterions. To allow the OCR container recognition, I then must link it to the previously declared OCR root item, by using its root item property. I then run the project. Here, we see that the pmain and poker container pages have been recognized. At first, we are going to use the OCRDriver, to simply read the content of the OCR container. I use the image selector, to create a zone item to define the part I want to read. At runtime, the OCRDriver will make a screenshot of the OCR container, and make an OCRization of the delimited zone. The result of this OCRization will be returned as the value of the zone item. Here is the result of the get action performed on the zone item. We are now going to see how to manage subpages, using OCR. I want to declare a subpage for each of the two first tab items. I then create subpages as usual, under the OCR container. I create a first subpage, for the tab 1 tab item. And I create a second subpage, for the tab 2 tab item. As seen before, OCR subpages have no recognition criterions. I then must declare must exist items, to allow OCR subpages recognition. For the P tab 1 page, I use the reference ID line. On the P tab 2 page subpage, I use the age of household head line as must exist item. The OCR container must now regularly perform OCRization, to detect its subpages load or unload. By default, OCRization is performed only once, when the OCR container loads. I set the OCR polling delay, so that OCRization will be performed every second. Here is the load of the P tab 1 page. And here is the load of the P tab 2 page. I am now going to monitor the P tab 1 page. As seen before, I declare zone items, to monitor the different fields. I also create a zone item, to click on the search button. I perform a get on the P tab 1 page items, to display their values. And here, I execute a set on the reference ID field. When performing a set, the OCR driver clicks at the center of the zone, and sends the value as keystrokes. I now click on the search button. The OCR driver executes a mouse click at the center of the zone. I get the O first name item value. The OCR driver makes a screenshot of the zone, and performs an OCRization to return the value. I also can highlight the items, to control the right location of the zones. Thanks for watching this video. In the second part, the OCR driver tutorial describes how to declare accursed items, manage scrolling, manage OCR settings, and more. You can see some more in the Contextor training channel.